it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, so it's quite late. I had a good night's sleep, very mild. Anyway, I've left Pete. He's still sleeping under his tarp and sleeping like a baby. So anyway, I couldn't lie around any longer, so I got up. And yes, it's kind of greyish today, but still really warm. Anyway, I'm going to make myself a coffee and just wander around and see if I can find some wood to maybe make a spoon. Get into my carving mode again. And when Pete's up, we'll get the canoes out and go and have a paddle around, I think. I'm pretty sure I've shown this to you before. I don't take this when I'm backpacking because it's a bit big, but this is a great bit of kit to hold my jet ball in. Basically, it's the Maxpedition bottle holder. It's the larger one. It is, like all Maxpedition things, pretty overpriced, that's my opinion. But I bought this ages ago, before I knew any better. And anyway, so what I can do is I can store my Wildo folder cup in here, which you've seen many times. That goes in the top. And then basically, I can get my jet ball out. The lids come off, but take that off there. So yeah, there's my jet ball, which again I love. It's very, very quick. It's a little bit heavy again for real light packing, but for these sort of occasions it's fantastic. And this always stays in the back of my car. And then it's still got enough room in the bottom to have my brew kit, which has got my coffee, my sugar, my tea, some milks, and the long life milk. And then in the front there's another pouch here, which has got my lighter, and this has got a little bag which has got a little scrubbing brush in it, and some tin foil, and what's that? Another piece of cloth. And that's it. And then I got some rubbish in here from last night's coffee. So yes, I thought I'd quickly show you that. I think I showed it in the video ages ago, but it is, yeah, it's great just to have everything that I need. Did I show you there's a spoon in here too? Yeah, there's a spoon. So it's kind of travelling brew kit. Right. Oh, first coffee of the day. Can't wait. So we're just going to go for a little paddle now around the island and check it out. So Pete's just going to double check the pressures now.
Then just go for the grab on the top ropes. So the bow gets in. Right, lift it up at the back if you can. That's it, spot on. Got it.
Oh, that was a lovely little paddle. It was, I think we were out there for about an hour. and just enjoying the water really. And I was getting small practice in, as I was, you know, I'm a beginner, but yeah, I'm learning all the time. And yeah, actually, funny enough, my arms don't suffer, but when I get out of the canoe, I find that my lower back is quite stiff, and I think that's from the twisting, but I think that comes with experience really. Anyway, we've got a fire going, and now it's evening and time to chill out. We've had a pretty chill out day actually. More chilling out and more eating. Okay, so tonight we're having pasta, which is pretty much nearly cooked, I'd say. Mayonnaise and all cooked. Nice bit of carbohydrate for us. And I think we might be having Pete's pudding after this. I'm here, I'm just laughing. Having stuffed my face on pasta. This is now Pete's little concoction from yesterday, which is custard with a vast amount of fruit floating in it. This is like Mission Impossible trying to eat all this as well. It's delicious. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. I got my cup of tea. Slept well. It's very quiet here, apart from the overhead planes you can hear. And so yeah, today's our last day. So we will be packing up and then hitting the water. And yeah, we're going to go upstream for a couple of miles and then slowly meander back to where we started off from. And yeah, I hope to kind of improve my technique a bit. As I say, I'm a beginner. And in fact, so far my only injury is, I don't know if you can see you see there? There's a blister, which is from when I'm doing that, the paddle. So that clearly needs to be sorted, because that's going to rub like hell. So I'm going to get my little first aid kit. Sorted. Take This ash is pretty hot still, so I'm going to make a nice ash mud bath and then clear all the ash out and then pour more water into the fire pit before backfilling it.
My husband and I.
Welcome to my river.
You're the only one that's allowed to eat swans.
What's for dinner? Swan.
Swan omelette and chips.
Swan ketchup. So peaceful here now. It's about 5:30 and we're heading back. And so guys, I hope you can hear us, but we've moored up now and we're going to pack things up and head home. It's been a fantastic time. Pete, you've been a star. He's been a very good teacher, very patient. And as for this, the Maverick Explorer, it is one cool canoe. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you soon. Thanks, Pete.
That's all I got.
Okay.
Yeah.